In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Hostinger IP address. Whether you're setting up a new website or managing an existing one, knowing your hosting IP address is essential. This simple guide will walk you through the process quickly and easily. So let's get started. First off, the journey begins by heading to the Hostinger website. If you haven't visited it before, you can simply open your preferred web browser and type in hostinger.com. It's where all the magic happens, from managing your domains to tinkering with your hosting settings. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner. Here you'll find the Login button. Click on it to enter your account details, because to access your hosting settings you'll need to be logged in. Enter your credentials and make sure they are correct before proceeding. This step is crucial as you're going to need access to your dashboard. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Hostinger's home screen. This is your central hub for all things website related. Look carefully and you'll notice a tab marked Hosting. Give it a click. This tab is particularly important because it's where all your hosting plans are listed. Now, with the list of your hosting accounts visible, the next step is to find the one you want to get the IP address for and click on the Manage button next to it. This will take you to a dedicated management section for that particular hosting plan. Within this new area, you'll see an option for your hosting plan. Clicking on it will give you more detailed options about the specifics of your hosting. Look a little further and you'll find Plan Details. Clicking here will reveal a subsection dedicated to information and features related to your hosting environment. Finally, it's time for the main event. Under the Plan Details section, you'll spot an option for Website IP address. Clicking on this will finally unveil the IP address that you've been looking for. It's a simple process, but each step is essential to ensure that you have the correct information at hand. And that's it. You now have the IP address for your hosting a website. It's a vital bit of information, useful for tasks like setting up your domain, configuring third-party services, or even troubleshooting. Remember to keep this IP address handy. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough made getting your hosting a IP address a breeze. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. See you in the next video.